What is up, guys? Don's here. We're back with another video. Today we got a little side job today. We got some brakes to do on one of my friend's cars. It's I forget what year, but it's a 4Runner. It's a Toyota 4Runner, one of the older models. I want to say, I'm not even going to guess because I forgot, but it's an older 4Runner. He just pulled up, so we're about to go out here. We're about to do some brakes. So obviously I'm gonna take you guys with me, and we're gonna do brakes together. All right, cool. Bet. Let's go. Alright guys, so we out here. We got my good friend of mine, Esteban, right there. We got his 4Runner right here. Let's block that. Yep. We got his 4Runner right here. We about to do some brakes on it. About to do some front brakes on it.
Front brakes.
Hell yeah. So let's get to it. What year is your 4Runner?
2002.
2002. Okay. Because I was just telling the people, I'm like, yeah, my friend's here with his so-and-so year Toyota 4Runner. Because I forgot. It's okay. So it's 2002.
It's all good.
For everybody. 2002 Toyota 4Runner.
2005 if you want.
So we finna do some brakes on his 4Runner. We finna talk some shit, and yeah, and go from there. But yeah, let's get to it. All right, guys. So first order of business is we're gonna jack this thing up. Not too much because we still got to loosen the lug nuts on both sides. We're gonna do that, but we're gonna have to jack it up on the frame because these rails are blocking the pinch welds where you originally were supposed to jack the vehicle up from. So we're gonna jack it up on the frame right there, if you guys can see, right there. And hopefully it works. If it don't, you know, we're just gonna wing it as usual. Alright, we made some contact now. I'm gonna loosen these wheels and I'm gonna have them off about now. Alright guys, so we got the wheel off. We got Stevie right here, you know, the light man. Something. The light man, and then you know we got the headlights too, and you already know. But yeah. So now we're gonna go back here. Okay, so when I was working at Toyota, how we did brakes, but since we're not doing rotors, but it's still the same way. You gotta, we used to get two pry bars and pry the calipers, pry the pistons back in there, just like this with the pads still on. But since obviously I forgot how the setup was, it's been a while since I worked on one of these. I forgot how the setup was. So now I'm gonna have to take the whole bracket off and use my brake caliper tool, my brake piston tool. So with that said, yeah, we're gonna do that. Brake. Gotta keep these. So with that being said, we're gonna take, there's a 17 right here, and then there's another 17 up there. We're gonna take those two off. This whole thing will come off. I'm gonna push the pistons back in there, but before that, I'm gonna take this off right here, and yeah, and we'll be right back. All right, so like I said, guys, and we got two lights going on at the same time. I got the headlight, and then we got the magnet light. But yeah, like I said, two 17s. Gotta check to verify, make sure I'm right. I guess for now, I'll just crack them for now, because like I said, we still gonna have to take this off right here. Actually, you know what? I guess I do take those off right now. It's a good thing I bought pliers, some type of pliers with me, because I was not about to bring any pliers. So I'm glad I bought pliers with me. So I'm gonna take this little, I forgot what they call these. It's been that long since I worked at Toyota, but take this little clip off. Then we're gonna wanna somehow get these pins out. Sometimes it can be a bitch, but ooh. And I guess, yeah, watch it because I almost fucking took Esteban's eye out. But yeah, there. Then this is gonna come off. Pins, both pins gotta come out. Those came out really easy, bro. Like if I was really still at Toyota, those wouldn't have came out that easy.
That'd be nice.
Pads, I guess the pads can really stay in there for right now. To be honest, they can stay in there for right now. What did I size? I say they were 17. All right, see if we can get this back here. This old fancy half-inch back here.
Gotta take some strength right there. Not voila. That wasn't bad.
And yeah, I'm using hand tools, by the way, when I could easily use cordless tools. But I ain't got none of those yet. I got a lot of air tools, but not no cordless tools. Shame on me. Cordless tools is for the weak. We don't need those. All right, now we're gonna swing this out like that. Let's be mindful of the brake line. So what we're gonna do, got my handy hangers right here. Man, the pads are still thick though. Gonna do that.
Thinking like you know what you're doing.
I don't, I just be winging it. So yeah, then we got a nice Matco piston tool right here. We're gonna use this here, slide that up in there, and let the tool do all the work. Not much strength into it, let the tool do all the work. Push them 4 pistons back inside until you feel it gets snug. Then we're gonna loosen the tool, slide that out there like that. We're gonna ratchet that back in place, and then honestly we're just gonna put it back on, and then we're gonna put the brake pads in like this after we connect it, after we bolt the caliper back up, because that's how we did it at Toyota. If you guys are ever doing brakes on a 4Runner, be mindful of, like I said, the brake lines. They're gonna bend a little bit, which is they're fine. It's not gonna, you know, but as far as putting the bracket, the caliper back on the rotor and bolting it up, it's gonna be a little difficult because that brake line bent a little bit, but that's fine. We're just gonna manhandle it back in place. All right, bro. It's not hard, it's more difficult. I'm doing it on the ground. It's way more difficult. But we'll be alright. As long as I get one in, once you get one in, then the other side kinda fall into place.
You made me a little bit more light. You can't really see what you're doing.
I'm blocking all the light.
There you go. I can hold it too.
I mean, it's magnet, so it's like, however, we're good.
Better, yep.
Just better?
It's better.
Much better. Oh yeah. Now that we got the bottom bolt and now the top one to be, they're still gonna give us some problems, but yeah. And I did not bring a hammer. Of course I didn't. I'm not gonna fucking lie, this shit's hot. Oh, we got it. We got it. We got it down there, boys and girls. Whenever you putting bolts back, make sure you hand thread them first before you start using the tool, whatever you're using. But honestly, sometimes I don't. I just say fuck it and then hit it with the gun, whatever. But yeah, something important like this, because you don't want to cross thread, because you will easily cross thread and mess the threads up, and then you're going to be screwed. Just hand thread them first. Don't go full force. Don't go full send. It's not always good to go full send. I promise, guys, next time, sometime in the near future, whenever you guys see me doing cars, side jobs, or whatever the case may be, or if I'm at work, I will have cordless tools next time. I promise. Because I'll be honest, this is tiring me already. Alright. Then we're gonna do that like this. Oh, I got fingerprints on the brake pads. We don't want that. It's liable to make noise. So what we're gonna do, take a little brake clean, spray the pad a little bit. Then we're gonna slide this new pad up in here. Yep, just like that. Okay. Now, if you guys remember our sliding pins, in a perfect world, which this is not, you will want to clean these, and it's my mistake. I should have bought some sandpaper or something to clean these off, but I think we'll be just fine. I think it's gonna be just fine. But next time we'll make sure that we clean these properly like you're supposed to. But they didn't come out too bad, so I don't want to say it's not a big concern, but yeah, we're just gonna make sure next time that we actually clean these properly like you're supposed to. And we're just gonna put these back how they came off. Just make sure like everything lines up as far as the pads and everything go up in here. See that pad slides in nice. I mean that sliding pin slides in nice, sorry. Yep. And then I messed up, guys. I did. We forgot this nice important beauty piece right here. Okay. Yep. Okay, now we got that. Push that down. Put this one back in there. Not so bad. Now, when putting this clip back on, let's see if we can get it up. See, they're already kind of much lined up. You want to make sure these pins are lined up in a certain area, because you see how angled this pin is. You want to make sure that they go in there like nice and easy. You want to make sure they're at a nice position. I mean, you can kind of move it around with the pin as well when you stick it in either top or the bottom. But yeah, we got some nice little angle there. I'm gonna do that. Let's put that up there in the middle. And you see this one's a little out of place there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our nice needle nose pliers. We're gonna move that downwards, about right there. We need a little bit more. So we're just gonna turn it until you get the right line up place, which I think that should be perfect. A little bit more. Oh, it's playing games with us. All right, there you have it. One side complete. Now we're just gonna do the same exact thing on the other side. Probably won't show too much. It is kind of getting dark out here, so I probably won't show too much. But I guess we'll do a quick little breeze through here and there. But yeah, that's all tight. We're gonna put the wheel back on, put everything back together. Start on the other side. We'll see you then. Now, all right, guys, we're back on the other side. As you can see, like I said, I'm not gonna show you the full thing, but show you a few clips here and there. Same thing as the other side, but yeah, at this point we're just gonna get it to crank it out. We're gonna crank this side out, but yeah, let's get to it.
Make sure you go reverse. Action. Alright, I don't need this attention. Don't know why that's on there.
Woo! No cordless tool can do that easily. I'm just saying. Fight me. Comment down below for all my car guys and girls out there. Comment down below. Do you guys use like hand tools more, or do you guys actually use cordless and air tools? Because even when I'm at work, I still find myself using hand tools pretty freaking often than usual.
Gotta find the bolt. Gotta find that bolt there, buddy. Okay, that's gonna be a little BI. So, I didn't bring a hammer. So, let's see. What's the best way I can do this? Alright, see, I'm gonna have to switch places with you for a second. So, get on up in here. Ooh, there we go. There we go.
Alrighty, guys, we got that. Now, like I said, what is that?
Spider.
A spider web. Yeah, same thing on the other side. Sliding pins. That, this and that, this and that, and that and this. Yeah. You want to take that off? Yeah. Fast. All right, everybody. We got this side all wrapped up and finished now. Camera will focus. Let's look at some goodies. There we go. We're all focused. Got everything all together. Let's get this light up here. About to throw the wheel on. We're gonna pump the brakes. Make sure everything's tight. I know that for a fact. We're gonna go over everything once more. So Stevie here can go home safe and sound. And yeah, let's put the wheel on. Let's pump some brakes. Let's hear for noise. Make sure everything's good. And yeah, so we'll see you soon. All right, leave that on for now. Give it some pumps. Now we're done. Stevie.
Satisfied?
Give it some pumps. Okay, let's take off.
Oh, driver. And the driver light's fucking off too. We heard it, man.
You hurting that bad, huh? Okay. Go around the corner. Ooh.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go on the main street for a second. Get it some real tests. Oh yeah, it feels better.
It does, right? I feel it.
I do think like the pedal still kind of. I mean, it's hard. Like it's better than before.
Yeah.
But I think once you do the rotors, and then I guess we'll do the brake flush next time. Yeah, this will feel 1,000 times better. But it feels a lot better than it did.
Before.
Yeah.
Respect it.
No noise.
Yeah, that's the best part, man.
No shaking. No vibration. Give it some juice.
Hey, let's go.
Yeah. She feels good.
No squeaky noise, nothing.
No squeaking, no nothing. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm not gonna toot my own horn or anything, but it was a simple job, so but yeah, I'm just glad there's no noises. There's nothing extra we gotta do, at least for not right now. How to video, I would say. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.